Hello, super scientists. Our target skill for today is I can identify and describe the functions of major plant parts. So yesterday we learned and talked about the different parts of a plant and what each part does to help the plant survive. Today you can use the video on the previous screen to review those plant parts and what each part does. Because today we are going to build our very own plant, showing all the different parts. For your plant model, you may use anything you have at your home, like in these pictures. You could draw a plant model. We are going to label our plant models using the labels and descriptions. For example, I have created a plant here using shapes. My plant has a flower and seeds. My plant has a stem and leaves. My plant even has roots. Now I'm going to label the parts of my plant using the labels provided. This label says flower or fruit. I see that my plant has a flower. The flower is making the seeds. So I can glue that function or description next to that part of the plant. Take a picture and submit your plant model to Class Dojo after you have labeled each part and each function. I cannot wait to see your plant models. Have fun, scientists, and I'll see you next time.